already seen the skit. Now we will learn new words with the meaning. Here you will find 3 columns, that is the word, meaning and the examples. The first one we will see the first word is the messenger. The meaning of that is a person who carries news or messages. And in this lesson, what did Raman say to the messenger? What did he say to the messenger? Don't disturb me, I am busy. Yes? So, example what you will say for that? The messenger went to meet the minister. Okay. Second one, you see the word shh. This is a sound made to call for silence. This is a loud noise. You say shh, be quiet. And the example of that is shh, said the class monitor. Shh, said the leader. Anyway, you can give the examples. Disturb, to trouble or not allow somebody to do the work. Example is that my mother asked me not to disturb her when she was cooking. When you are playing some game, when your friend is coming and calling you, you get disturbed this way. Next one, busy. Means very busy doing the work, having lot of work to do. Means example what we will say, I was busy doing my homework. I was busy helping my mother. Yes. Majesty. This word is used to address a king or a queen. Which word is used to address a king or a queen? Majesty. Example is that I will always serve you, your majesty, said the man. Next word, explain. Explain means to tell the meaning of something, to make someone understand something. And example you will say, my teacher explained the sum to me. My teacher explained the skit to me. Loads. Loads means lot of, many. Example what will give? He has lots of work to do. Lots means a lot of work to do. My brother has lots of work to do. You can say anyway. My sister has lots of work to do. The last one, skit. Skit means what? A small drama. Yes. And the examples is that the entire class put up a skit for the teacher. The entire class third put up a skit for the teacher. Anyway, you can give the examples. Now this skit, this is for which standard? Standard third. So we have seen the skit that Tenali Raman draws a picture, this skit. So this entire class put up the skit for the teacher. Now children, we will see what is meant by homophones. Homophones are the words with same pronunciation but with different meaning and spellings. So there you can see different words. First one is board, blackboard, but the homophone for that is board. Second one is I, and the homophone word is eyes. Third one, here, and homophone is here. You hear with your ears, that ear. 8. For that what I written? 8. 8 pencil. 8 pen. Where? Homophone is where. I wear my socks. That way, where. And one more is where. W-A-R-E.